So now we're going to apply glue on this ring in order to put it on top. Now there's some reference that you have to follow in order to align it properly. Look for the leaflet, the brown leaflet that has two little lines. Alright, there's one leaflet that has two little lines here next to a silver. That would be your reference point, and the ring follow the same color. There's brown and brown, silver and silver. The seam line is actually the seam line of this ring that has to be centered with these two leaflets, the one in brown that has two lines. Alright, let's apply glue. I'm going to put a little brush, and I'm going to apply glue on the inside, a thin film of glue. You really don't want to make a lot of mess. So let's don't forget our reference point where we're going to be gluing this with. It is very important of this alignment to be perfect. Otherwise, the other elements that will go on top of the dome are not going to match. Alright, so again, let's put this aside. We have the seam line is the seam line of this ring that will go to be centered with this line here that divides the brown leaflet and the silver one. The leaflet that has the two lines drawn on this brown leaflet, that's my reference. Alright, so this line is centered, and now immediately push the ring down from all sides. And this is very important, you have to be fast. All sides have to be pushed completely down, because this ring has to touch the base of the dome. Keep curving, keep turning it around. Be sure that you are pushing the ring all the way down. Let's see how it goes. Yes, so for the most part you see that the ring is touching the base of the dome, and that's what you want. If there are some gaps, act quickly and keep pushing it down. Do not press too hard, otherwise you're going to be bending here in this area that is already curved. You don't want to damage that. So keep doing it. And there it is. So it's fine. The ring has been glued perfectly on touching the base of the dome. Alright, so this is ready to be glued on top. It's okay, we can glue this now on top of hopper, and then later we can add all the other elements. Now we're going to align this with hopper. Also, there are some reference points on hopper. Let's begin with this reference point. there is this side where you can read where it says port 1, 2, no, pod 1, 2, pod 3, 4. Take a look at this. This is your reference. And the leaflet that has the two little lines will need to be centered with that area right there that says pod 1, 2, 3, 4. So this line here, I'm going to put here, this line is going to match with the line here where this cover of the leg touches the wall, right here on this line. Alright, so it will go like this. Okay, and why? There's going to be one element that is going to be sitting on top that is going to be perfectly aligning with this, the pots that we're going to be placing. So this is your reference point. Let's put glue, and remember, we're going to center this area. You can go and review this video before putting glue on. So right now I'm going to apply glue on the edge of the base of the dome. There's no need to put glue here. Why? Because anyway, it's totally hollow, and the dome is going to be glued to the edge. So let's find our reference point. Remember, area where it says pot 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where you're going to align the area where I indicated. I'm going to be putting it here first towards me so I can align it. You can feel with your other fingers if you are putting it all centered. Okay. So that's where there. So in other words, once you have glued the dome, notice that all this part of hopper that has the silhouette of the man should be centered with the silver area of the dome. Okay, and the brown area is actually facing towards the front leg. So that's the reference. So we're going to wait now until you have to be sure that it's well centered. Let it sit there, and then on our next video we'll be detailing the dome by adding all the little parts that go on top. Thank you.